Okay, so I've taken most of the roping off. Here you can see one bit of roping is on, and I'll show you how to actually put the other side on this base. And so this is the thick cord that the bar is suspended on. Of course, on the base, with those big heavy bars, the bar actually sits on this nice strong rubber to keep the cord from wearing out, from having to hold all of the weight of the wood. But in most of the instruments, the bar is supported entirely by this piece of cording, which is a number 5 or 5.5 gauge lawnmower starter cord that you can often find at your local hardware store. Okay, so I'm just going to take a length of this and I'm going to start threading it through these eye holes all the way down the length, and I start at the bottom of the instrument and proceed on up all the way to the top. And then what we have at that point is a real simple tie off. You just insert that through one of these available holes and make yourself a knot. And you can either just make a granny knot, or if you're like me, you kind of double it back around and like once over like that, and then you double back around and then pull it through to make it extra special big that way. That way you can be assured it's not going to pull itself back through. So now, following back down, we can pull this tight all the way through, and I'll show you how to tie that off.